The typewriter arrived in a battered crate, keys yellowed and frame spattered with rust. Alone in his cramped apartment, Julian set it on his desk, curious. The first page he typed, "It rained last night," was innocent enough until he glanced out the window and saw puddles glistening on the street that hadn't been there an hour ago. Heart-pounding, he experimented, writing, "There's a knock at the door." Instantly, a sharp rap echoed through the hall. He froze, breath shallow, as the words he wrote materialized in reality. With trembling fingers, he typed, "The visitor is friendly." The door creaked open. No one stood there, but a warm breeze brushed his face. Julian's awe soon darkened. What if he fixed his failures, erased his loneliness? He wrote, "She returns to me." The air chilled. His ex-girlfriend's hollow eyes stared from the hallway, lips stitched shut, skin waxen. She moved toward him, arms outstretched. Julian tried to type, "She disappears," but the keys jammed, sticky with blood. The typewriter wouldn't let him undo what he'd unleashed. The last thing he heard was her ragged whisper, "You wrote me back."